Hi all of you, welcome to the channel We as the Best. We as the Best is unique for its kind of explanation of the concept. Now in this session we talk about in detail about the electrode potentials of the electrodes. Electrode potentials are simply reduction potential values. In our last session I explained how to calculate the standard reduction potential of the electrodes. E0 values. E0 values. This represents the standard reduction potential of the cells. How did we calculate the electrode potential or standard electrode potential of the standard reduction potential values of the electrodes by using SHE, standard hydrogen electrode. Otherwise we cannot. By taking SHE as the anode, scientists or we have calculated the electrode per E0 values, standard reduction potential of the innumerable of cells. But given most important in the list in our this NCERT textbook. But that we should not by heart it, the values, we should know the concept only. Somehow zero value, somehow positive value, somehow negative value. We should know whatever the order, descending or ascending order, the E0 values of this. We should know what is the meaning of plus and minus and zero also. Hydrogen has zero value. So we are taking it as a SHE and somehow negative values, somehow positive values. If you carefully observe this list, E0 values list, a reduction potential value SRP list in the textbook NCERT. What are they? They are order, specific order is there. Increasing or decreasing order. Means positive value. If any electrode potential is a positive, means it is taking electrons easily. Taking electron easily. It is getting reduced and oxidizing others. See, all these concepts should be very strong. If not, you will be troubled in many respects. If anything, accepting electrons, we say that it is getting reduced and oxidizing others. So in this list, what we have seen, fluorine has the fluorine, F2 gas, fluorine gas, and in another we have lithium. So these are in the middle we have seen hydrogen. E0 values of these in the middle other electrodes are also there, other reactions of other elements. Lithium has how much highest negative. This is highest positive around 2.8793 around 3. It is able to take electrons. It is accepting electrons, getting reduced to 2F minus, taking 2 electrons. Polar radions are converting, accepting. It means it is oxidizing others. This is the best oxidizing agent in the chemistry. Strongest oxidizing agent. It takes electrons getting reduced and oxidizing others. Yes, slowly oxidizing agent reduces, becomes 0 here. Electrode potential of hydrogen is taken as a E0 value 0 volts, and when you reach Li, lithium has the strongest reducing agent in its solution, not in the gaseous state. It is the strongest oxidizing agent. It is a reducing agent, having it is a minus 3.0 volts. Yes. It is a reducing agent when compared with the hydrogen. And compared with the hydrogen, we have to understand this. What is the meaning of plus and minus? Minus means it is not ready to accept electrons. It gives electrons to others, oxidizing agent, strongest oxidizing agent. It is a strongest reducing agent, strongest oxidizing agent. Never forget this. This list will give you idea of which can be taken as anode and which can be taken as a cathode in the electrochemical cells. All the negative, which have the negative values, they can be taken as a anode. All these things which are anything which is more negative value taken as anode, less negative or positive taken as a cathode. That is for this reason we are able to produce innumerable number of electrochemical cells. Innumerable electrochemicals we are able to produce because of this reason. So this couple always reducing here, F plus F minus reduce to it's when you take it reduction potential value. Reduction potential values always positive, here negative. Positive means what is the meaning of positive nature? It is a more oxidized. It is stable in oxidized state. Reduced state. It is stable in the reduced state only. It is stable in the oxidized state only by losing electrons. I hope we have understood this. We are going to use these concepts in the explanation of Nernst equation. Nernst equation is an equation to calculate the cell potential in different concentrations of the solution. In this Nernst equation, we use standard electrode potentials and the same with different concentrations, E0 values and other concentrations. Then we will be able to calculate the cell potential or electrode motor, EMF of the electromotive force of the electrochemical cell. The next session, I am going to talk about this Nernst equation and calculation of the this cell potential. Thank you.